Hello everybody, welcome back to ModShapes. I'm Alex Steele, and today I'm going to do several things. First, try to decide which one of these blanks to make a new project out of. Second, figure out how to make a super fast glue-up jig for another complex project that's coming up. And third, let's get this surface under control. It needs to be cleaned. Now these are really good, but it would be better if they weighed a little bit more. I'm going to use a mixture of sand and resin, and I'm going to see if I can get these to weigh enough to do what I need when I put the glue in and the parts in, to see if there's going to be enough an even pressure to be successful. And there you have it. The best that I got was just over almost double added back, which is pretty impressive. I'm kind of happy with it. I think this is going to work pretty good as a glue up jig. And the next step is to go ahead and make a commitment to the design that I like, because once I decide to glue these up, there's no going back. So that's what's coming next. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Just want you to know I appreciate you. I hope you're having a great day. I hope that the people that you love are having a great day. And I'll see you on the next one.